Buying a home for what you're paying in rent. Meet James and Michelle, newly married and want to buy a home. We're going to break down how buying a home can be the same monthly payment as renting. James and Michelle are paying $1,250 per month in rent, but don't really understand the process of buying a home. They're afraid it's expensive and scary. What they don't know is that for that same $1,250 per month, they can buy a $175,000 house. How do they do it? With, number 1, a phone call to me and the right lender. Number 2, the right guidance. Number 3, a few autographs. Electronic signatures really help here. Turn in a few documents and boom, they live happily ever after. So they stopped throwing their money away and made their dream a reality for the same price they're paying in rent.